Hey everyone, I wonder why my mic just falls over every moment. There we go. We got everything tightened down, ready to go here on Stat Tool 1. We're going to do some of the assignments. I eat these granola bars, these protein granola bars. They always make me cough for some reason. I do not understand why. Just like, it's a thing. It is a thing. What do we have coming up here? Oh my gosh, we've got so many assignments already. Chapter 1 homework and quiz. We've already done that. Survey about Gen AI. Let's talk about that. Yeah. Okay, let's put a big announcement about this. I think I can open it up. I'm not going to complete it, but let's take a look over here. Am I logged? Oh, I'm in. Oh, is this the preview? Did Terry share the preview? Oh, Terry. I think Terry's using the preview. I hope we're getting responses. We're probably getting responses, but I don't know if we are. Well, Geek Tricks. That's the preview. Same preview thing. Okay. Let me grab this. There it is. Wait. Huh. Man. No one's offstairs yet, so I'm just working. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the world. Oh, that's what that one is. Good thing I didn't use that one. Oh, the world is crazy. The world is crazy. The world is crazy. Okay. There's that. I don't know if anyone submitted it yet. Okay. Let's see if it's working. Okay. Then tell Terry. All the changes. Okay. Hey everyone. Quick update for the survey about Gen AI. Glad I clicked that. Okay, let me send an announcement reminder. A bonus point. Let's do this. Announcements. Bonus point on exam 1. More bonus. More music. Yep. After there. Start and then less. almost done. Survey about Gen AI. Okay. It's so quiet here. So quiet. Got that sent out. Trying to think what to do. Could do an assignment. So that's fixed. Could do some 475. I could talk about that. I'll tell 475. We'll say I talked about stuff. But I'm always afraid. I'm always afraid if I do the work. I'll put on this one. Might just play this one. I'm always afraid if I do the work, then they'll be like, oh, I just gotta copy what he does. Close out all my work. There we go. Could try to put Orb Runner online. Let's do that. If no one's here, I'm just gonna chill for a moment. Let me try to get my Orb Runner game online, because we talked about that last time. Orb Runner game online. Try to get it going. Hair's getting all long again. Okay, let's see. Let's see. How can I put this Orb Runner game online so if someone goes to a website, they can play it? Give me options that are easy to do. Let's see if we can get it online. Could you let me know if you want the game hosted on your own domain? Your main queries are powered by a letter version of Deep Research. I know that. Am I in GitHub right now? Coding platform. I don't know if I'm logged into that. Can I sign in through continue through Google? Sure. Through Google. Okay. Here we go. Let's say GitHub. Okay. Give me step-by-step details for putting it on GitHub so someone can visit an HTML page and play it. Label each step like 1, 2, and so on. Okay. Let's see how to do this. I'm in my GitHub. Say what? That's how I do it. Starting research. I don't have research. It's because I did research on this one. Well, that's interesting. Nice. Terry pushed the sync. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Hopefully it didn't. Hopefully it didn't. Leave site. I've already got like 8 web pages open. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm taking a survey now. Oh wait. I think I don't take this. No, I'm not gonna take that because I already do it. If you're in office hours right now, Mubot's here. Say hi. I'm trying to put an Orb Runner game online. I know I hit the end of my research, but I didn't ask for deep research. I just wanted to put it online. That's all I wanted. Now live on your channel. Oh, sorry, good stuff. We have a lot of time. It's one of those earlier, easier weeks. Well, it looks like we had people here. There's 2 people. If you join, let me put my taking questions. What? Someone joins in, they're like, what's going on? Stream health. The settings are right. On this video, no. Yawn. We're gonna have to wait for the deep research to finish. Shouldn't be that hard to do. We're just chilling out. Chilling out. Maxing, relaxing, all cool. Live streaming. I think it's the thing, we have so little work right now. I mean, we do have work, but canvas content quiz the class. I left that available. Sure. It's an easy quiz. Let me chat hit this. Hey, what's up? Good to see you there. I'll throw you some points in the chat. I'm editing an assignment being like, use your notes. Good to see you. Do you have any questions right now? You can ask any questions. Ask those questions away. I'm going to see if I can get Orbrunner online. I'm going to try to do it. Orbrunner. Some questions are a little bit tricky. ChatGPT is so slow these days. So slow. If you have a question, let me know. I'm just chilling out for the moment. Gonna try to get Orbrunner online, like I said. Logged into my repository. So it should be able to do it. It'd be neat if we get that going. Let's see what emails we got. Can't really say them out loud. Think about the MSBA. Valvoline. No worries. You've been nominated. University of Alabama. I don't know. Huh. Baxter. I'm not clicking any links in here. Can't trick me. Kelly Myers. Alabama. Oh man, we should call them up. Except there are a bunch of fake things. They don't have a picture, which does make you worried when you go to someone's LinkedIn. And it's just weird. Now, they do have a bunch of things. It'd be very... They should know at University of Alabama if this person's totally fake. .edu on this. They set up a fake site on this. They did really good. There's a real university, right? University of Alabama in Huntsville. Huntsville, Alabama. Why do they think I graduated from there? That's weird. If I submitted my data analytics assignments late, when will it be graded? It should be graded in the next few days. I hope so. Yeah. It's they usually have 1 week to grade. 1 week to grade. Ask any questions you got right now. I'm just chilling out. I'm gonna get Orbrunner online if we have no other big questions. But we got maybe the way to get Orbrunner online. But they have 1 week to grade. 1 week. 1 week. Let's see. Hey, Darius. What's up, Darius? I made a game. that we're going to try to put online. Create a GitHub account. I got that. Create a new repository. So you're going to see Orbrunner. You're going to check that out. Darius, I just threw everyone some points. But say hey in the chat, Darius, or whatever you want. I'm gonna make chat a little bigger. Yes, Darius, good to see you. I'm gonna follow the steps on getting this online. Create a repository. Click the plus icon. New repository. This means create a new repository. Create a thing called Orb Runner. Orb Runner is available. Description. Get the high score. Okay. Public visibility. Okay. Set to public. Free accounts. You can initialize without a readme. That's fine. Create repository. Okay, we create repository. Oh, we're doing it. I'm learning how to do things. I've done this before, but I always forget. Upload your HTML game file. Get my HTML game file. How do I create HTML file? Let's go ask ChatGPT. I am on a PC and have HTML code. What is the quickest? Wanted to see saw you live since my lunch break and doing some social media. Nice job. Open house in the writing center in HSS. Free. What time, Darius? I'll send that out. I'm gonna send that out right after this. What time? Give me the time. Give me an announcement, Darius, and I'll put it. I'll send it to all my 2-1 students. I'll say open house writing center, free pizza, snacks. What time is it today? I'm gonna blast that to all the students. Put it on the Discord too for free stuff. I've got the notepad going right here. Tell me, what? It's like an old notepad thing I had open here. What the? Start at 9:30, ends at 4 p.m. Okay. Let's say writing center. Okay, I'm going to send an announcement. I'll send to all my classes. Let's see. Okay, Darius, I'm going to send this to about 500 students right now. Free pizza and snacks today. Writing center open house. Okay, ready? Thank you, Darius. Pizza and snacks. Writing center open house. Okay. There you go. 1 word or 2 words. Swing by the library. You're welcome. Anytime, just ask me to send stuff. I will. I mean, especially for this. Shouts to Darius doing all the social media and promoting the writing center and helping out. Swing by the library today. Till 4 p.m. 4 p.m. The writing center. Oh, wait. HSS. Wait, not the library. Not the... There it is saying right there. It wasn't. It used to be in the library. Swing by HSS. Thank you. Darius is listening. 212 till 4 p.m. 4 p.m. And humanities, social sciences. Humanities and social sciences till 4 p.m. This is the building as you go up Ped Walk across from the library with the statue with water out front. Had to catch you. Yeah. Non-existent. A bunch of students go to swing by HSS Humanities and Social Sciences 212. I'm going to bold that till 4 p.m. Okay. This is the building as you go up Ped Walkway across from the library with the statue with water out front. Okay. There goes that. Announcement. 500 students. I mean, we all like free pizza, right? What kind of pizza, Darius? And you now have 500 students learning about this. And then I'm going to throw it on the Discord under free stuff. Brenz? Dude, I'm going here. I'm going to be there. Can I go by, Darius? Can I go by? Brenz? See, Chris, good to see you there. C1 RSS, good to see you there. If you have questions, ask away. You're welcome. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. There we go. And Rutong, student my stars are everyone. Let me do stat to 1 for this one. Stat to 1, just so you know. Wang is amazing and knows statistics. Swing by their office hours Great help. Okay, then we're gonna go to free stuff. It's for everyone. Oh, you're on. Oh, Javante, what's up? Free stuff. Darius is promoting right here. Writing Center. Let me do this. Free pizza and snacks. Okay. Boop, boop. If you have questions, ask away. I'm trying to get Orbruner online as we speak. Also promoting. There we go. And send mess. What? Stop it. What did I do? There we go. Send. Okay. Ask any questions you got. We're kind of doing some housekeeping right now. Put Discord up here. Oh, I had to pull it down because it was too far away from my bad eyes. So we just sent out big announcements. Be safe. Not to invoke any fear, but I just... Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, thank you. I haven't heard anything. Javante, thank you for saying that. As far as you know, everything's all right. You can get up to 1.2 bonus on your final grade. 1.2 bonus on your final grade. Thank you, Javante, for... We should know things like that. As long as we... You know, I think UT... You gotta keep your eyes on your UT alerts. Did it look anything? Were there people leaving, Javante? Was there anything mentioned? Was there any concern reason, Javante, or was it just like? Were they walking? Sorry. Like, what was your level of concern when you saw that? Was it just like do 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 do, or was it like do 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 do? Yeah, just have the app. Yeah, we should hear something immediately if there's... Yeah, well, let's... Well, hopefully everything Yeah. Let's hope someone knows something about this. That's Yeah, that's okay, well, let's keep our eyes on this. Let's we all should know, and we should all... Now I feel bad for... Yeah, I know. Let's keep our eyes, and yeah, we should get something, because they're supposed to immediately be telling us things like this. Why is my phone not charging? I'm making my phone charging. Unless we hear anything, I would stay in when we do training on this. Yeah, just like know your exits, know where things are at, and just... It's my best advice. Sorry, Javante. Yeah, I'm on campus here too, so I'm gonna make sure my phone's charging. Why is my phone not charging? We're gonna keep an eye on these things. It's a very concerning thing. Let's say I'm gonna send an announcement. Pause. Darius, I'm gonna send an announcement to be like, do you think I should just send like wait? Because I just got this after, like saying just wait a moment. What do you think I should send Darius or Javante? Just like wait on... I don't want to be sending students. Does that make sense? Like, I just found that out now, and I don't want to, because I have no idea what's going on. And then, does that make sense where I'm at? I'm just figuring out what's the best thing to do right now with new information, because I have no idea what's... Like, none of us know, and I have not received any information about. Yeah, but I mean, like, also, should I say like wait on going to the writing center or something? Do you think I should just say just wait on going to the writing center? Because I... Just stay put. Okay. Okay, let me say that. Just stay put. Okay. Quick announcement. Quick update. Everyone. Just say, okay, just wanted to say, wait a little bit on going to the writing center right now. Please read. Quick update, please read. Just check for updates. For now, just wait and don't go. Hey. I don't think that'll cause panic or anything. Okay. I'll be right back. Yeah, so Darius might be giving updates. Yeah. Omishai note. Wait a moment on going to the writing center. I will update. Alright. Oh, really? Yeah, so that was a... I heard about that last week. I just talked to people outside, and Terry said he heard some sirens and stuff. Like, we have no idea what's going on. Fun times. Fun times. Yeah. Well, how's everyone else doing? How is everyone doing? How is everyone? Oh. Oh. Anything else going on today? I'm gonna get the Orb Runner uploaded. The file's name is index. Oh, what'd you get? Darius, I need to start back up. I hurt my there's what is it? Pronation and supination. I hurt one of my tendons. You got two tendons in your arms that go like this way and that way, and I hurt this one over here, and I was getting like golfer's elbow. Man. You're supposed to hold a weight and do like this. And or a hammer even works too, because that gets like to get like better strength across your wrists. Just walking around, Giovanni, that's awesome too. Yeah, I think everything's fine. I just didn't like the idea of me sending people around somewhere. It happened, right. So I was like, let me send out a wait a moment message. Let me send out a wait just a moment. I'll probably send like, I mean, yeah, they're supposed to send us things if something's going on. That's why everyone was like, they're supposed to send us things. In the comment change box appears, write a short message, add game files, ensure you commit to branch, usually mean. Okay. I have my files. Quick setup. Where do I upload my files? Upload your HTML game file. It is honey chicken with some low fat mac and cheese. Dude, that sounds awesome, Darius. That is really good. That is a good filling lunch. Add files, upload files. Okay, where's the add files, upload files? I sound like a billion announcements. Yeah, that sounds fire. That's like, Darius has some good stuff right there. Where's the add files? Where's the add files? Should get Adam Spampower in here. Wait. Add files. Adding a file to a repository using... No, I just want to upload it. Just want to upload it. Enjoy just... Yeah, dude, cooking is amazing. Like, learning how to cook is a really good thing, an amazing skill to have, especially, friends, meet someone. Like, learning how to cook is top skill, I'd say. Huge skill to have. My wife was very happy that I knew how to cook. And now she's a better cook than me. Way better. Way, way better. I don't say that lightly. She's amazing. Yeah. Oh, honey glazed baked salmon. Woo! That sounds amazing. Honey glazed salmon. Honey glazed. That sounds amazing. Where is this? You're making us all hungry right there, Javante and Darius. I can't. Create a new file. Wait. Upload an existing file. Oh my gosh. Choose my files. I found it. I found the upload file. The hardest part about things sometimes is just finding the upload files. Orb game. Orbs. Okay, wait. Did it get the... There it is. Commit changes. Processing my file. We have one more step done. That's good stuff. I tell you, if you cook for somebody and they like your cooking, they're going to come hang out with you a second time. That is like a fact of life. Like, they're like, man, that was the best honey glazed salmon I've ever had. They'll be like, I'll hang out with them again. I like good food. Good food is number one way to hang out with people, go to like Stock and Barrel Burger. Oh, I think we got this. Commit changes. How do I commit the change? Then click commit changes or propose change to upload. There's so many steps to it. Where is it? Commit changes. Commit changes. Commit. I'm clicking it. Verified. Enable GitHub Pages. We're almost there. I'm about to drop Orb Runner in the chat. Enable GitHub Pages in the repository. Click the Settings tab. Ooh. The top code and automation. Code and automation. Oh, here's code and automation. Choose pages. All these things there it is. Okay. Build and deployment. Deploy from a branch. Okay. Then choose the branch you upload your files to. Main. Yeah, it's the main, I believe. Docs? Sure. Clicks. Then the root. Oh, it's in the root, I guess. Save. Okay. It can take a minute or two for the first publish. Okay. Visit your URL. Oh my gosh, we might have done it. Once published, GitHub Pages makes your site available online for a project site. The URL will be, if you had a name, you can copy the link from the Pages setting. Click visit site. So we might have this. Food does nourish the soul. Where's the site at? Where's my site? We might have done it. I think we've done it. We might have Orbrunner. Do you remember, Javante, you remember Orbrunner from class? It's so your username GitHub.io repository name. A lot of extra credit times, but I haven't submitted a screenshot. Oh, submit those screenshots. Submit those screenshots. Your username. Did I do it? Repository name, Orbrunner. This worked. I'll be so happy. Okay. Oh my gosh. Dude. Check it out. It works. We've done it. Orbrunner's official. I should make other games now. Now I know how to... I just literally made an HTML game and published it to the web. You never think you'd do stuff like this. But it's official. Orbrunner's online. So check it out, Darius, if you want. I'm going to go put a command for Orbrunner. We now have Orbrunner in here. And play here. Here. Play Orb here. Nice. Morb. Everyone knows Morb. I think you don't have to put the exclamation. You can just Morb in. Darius knows Morb. Orb. Now we have Orbrunner. Yeah, it's the game I made. I'll show it here in the main screen. Man, it works. Wow. Should have made it even better. This is Orbrunner. Made it right here. I don't know if you'll score high scores, but I should do. There's Morb. But you go ahead and you go to free play. Yeah. And then there's power-ups. Oh, vacuum ball. You get bigger with each thing you take. You get 10% increase in size. Oh gosh, this is getting fast. I got to get a higher score than this. I don't know if it'll have everyone's scores across the full thing. It might be local to you. We'll see what scores people get. You have to get the vacuum ball and get the disco ball. Is your favorite game to play now, Darius? There's like... I can't remember what all the power-ups do. I made the game and I don't even know how to play it. Disco ball. Watch out when you get the disco, you get way bigger. And you're going to have a hard time getting through spaces. But disco gives you 10x, so it's well worth it. Vacuum. Can we get the vacuum ball? Oh, that was so close. We'll do one more, two more rounds. But I made this game in ChatGPT in probably about... It took me like, what, 30 minutes to upload it? So 30 minutes to upload the game to ChatGPT. 20, 30 minutes to make it. It's just crazy what you can do. The thing is, you have to be trying to debug. You have to think about how to improve your code. It's really... I'm going to try to get 31,000. I know the game's coded, so disco mode is the #1 way to... You want to get disco mode, and then you want to get... I got too close. You also speed up every ball you get. So you want to get... You want to get a vacuum ball, then you want to get a disco ball, and that's how to get the high score. Yeah, this will be good. There's another vacuum ball. Ooh, someone saw that. Balls can randomly appear. 45,000. Yeah, the #1 way to win is vacuum ball, disco ball. I don't know. You can't vacuum ball a vacuum ball. See. Oh, gosh. Did that appear? Because I swear that wasn't there. Wait till you get a Rowan on screen. Data Analytics 0, ChatGPT got everything right the first time. Nice job. Pomodoro break. This will be my game. Nice. Send your score. We'll see who gets the highest high score. Once I want to break 100,000. I want to break 100,000. This is just fun start of the semester office hours. We got a lot of time. I'm going to go get some of that pizza. Where's my vacuum ball? Not a vacuum ball. There's one. The red that are not the power, that are not the danger balls are the vacuum balls. And then disco ball is 10x, so you really need disco ball. And then vacuum ball. This is a good run. And then there should be shield, but that doesn't do anything. Ooh. This is... I bounced! 82,000. I can break it. I'm going to be the first person over 100,000 in orb. Orb. First person. I got to do it. I got to break 100,000. Someone's going to be like coming to this and be like, what is going on here? Oh, I so did not hit that. I can't have a student break 100,000 before I break 100,000. Like, that would not... The world would not be in the right state of mind. Ooh, yes. 95,000. Come on. Orb. ChatGPT could make a mobile game. It could. I bet you we could put this on mobile. It might work on mobile, but it would have to be touchscreen. I bet you we could do that. You really need the disco balls. Because if you're not getting 10x, what are you doing in life? This is it. I think we've got it. This is it. We've done it, ladies and gentlemen. 164,000. Orb that. Yeah. 164,000. 164,000. There we go. My game. I don't know. Getting 1 million would be nuts. I mean, it's just like cumulative points. It gets faster and harder the higher you get. So it's not meant to be played that long. Time mode is 1 minute. So you can play 1 minute, but it's so you're not going to get really. So we could do who gets the highest score in 1 minute. But the best thing you could do right here with the 1 minute timer, once again, is the vacuum ball is the key. It's the non-moving red ball, which I just saw when I missed it. I'm resetting the game by hitting enter and trying to find a non-moving red ball. Number one way to win. There it is. It's off the screen, close to the end, but... And then you just massively get points. Then we got another vacuum, so we're good. You might... The 1 minute timer might be enough to, like... Except you need another disco ball. Woo! Things sped up. How can I win the game when it... Disco. You could try to win by just getting discos. I don't know if the discos stack, because that was a lot of disco. No, they don't look like they stack much. So notice my score is not that awesome without... It appeared on me. Yeah, that's what I was going after. Like, there's so many like little games we played growing up that were just like fun little nonsense games that are just like a simple task, like collect orbs. I gotta like make this so it doesn't... I could maybe look at the code and be like, why is it producing more like balls on you? Like literally, if you saw that one appeared right in front of me. So like, yeah, we could remake Snake. I bet I could remake Snake pretty quickly and make it better. It's nuts what you can do. Oh, I think that's the one where you eat like the other person's thing, you grow and get bigger. And like you try to, it's like your amoebas or little balls like this. I mean, that's how these games are created, and then you just put it on like a server and multiple people log into the server. And then the things appear underneath you. Yeah, remember that game? Just you can create these things in ChatGPT pretty quickly. I'll show you the code I used, and then I even had ChatGPT help me get it online, so in case anyone's wondering. Yeah, it's a lot of fun games. Here we go. 2 seconds. Orb. So I'm going to show how I made this, because we're just having fun and relaxing, and then I'm going to... Do you think everything's fine on campus now, right? Send like an update. Okay, where's the... I'm going to go full screen. Okay, here we go. So here's what I did. I said, I'm going to send an announcement like, hey, everybody, go to... They all left. Okay. Okay, let me send announcements again and be like, hey, Swing Variant Center, library now. Okay, cool. Just like... I just didn't feel, like right after it's like, oh, wait a minute, there's reason to not tell people free pizza. Free pizza. Writing center. Where is it? HSS what again? Guys, another announcement. I'm gonna go, Javante. I'll meet you there in a little bit. We're just having easy office hours. I'll be there at like 2. There it is. I'm going. Get a little free pizza. See, are you there, Darius? Around 2 p.m. All right. Free pizza. Oh, man. I'll see you, Darius, then. I'm going to say I was promised honey chicken with mac and cheese, though. So this is what I did to get it to work. I asked it to open up the right screen here, which we could maybe even update this. This is what's crazy. So you see, I'm asking it to do things. Have the ball move twice as fast, and it increases in speed at 2% for each time you get points, and let the player pick between a timed and free play mode. I like Javante there. Make this game 10 times cooler by researching how to make a game like this better. So then I used research mode, and it researched for 9 minutes and 22 seconds. Because I've ran out of my researches here, but like I used all of them. But I went into deep research mode. Then I tried to make it in shiny, and it didn't turn out as cool. So you can see, like, it's a conversation. It's called, prompting or prompt engineering. And then what did I do after this? So look at my series of prompts. Put it into one working file. So it made one working file, but the code, it didn't work really well in RStudio. Like scraps. Darius is like, here's a noodle. Here's a noodle. That's all I got left. Update the game so that that was like our little Brian's. We tried that. It didn't work. Take this game. Let's try this. Take this game and totally redo it as though it is the game Snake, and use that theme on how it is played, but still keep power-ups and make it better Snake, or Solid Snake. You get the reference. Solid Snake, the game, which is a cooler version of the Snake game we grew up with. It'd be like, how do you want me to do this? We'll do this here, and then we'll head over. I mean, we just had some fun chill off stars. We don't have much work right now. I think because I did deep research, I'll be like, you are using a lighter version of deep research. But if you look at what's going on right here, we can look at the code a little bit while this does this in the background. Okay, I got the full screen open. Oh my gosh. It's editing it. It's editing my code. So this is the background color right here. That is HTML color code. UT color is FF8200. So these are the colors of the panel. Certain objects, background color is BG. It's controlling the height and size of the boxes and everything. Evertwo's crazy. Cracking me up. These are just sizing dimensions right here. You're like, I know that. I mean, I guess I do too. Figuring out the font sizes and all that good stuff. This is where you end HTML code. That's the end of HTML code. So it's ending the style call and the head call, and now it's opening up a body and header to put in things into those. Here we go right here, looking at creating different things. Okay, it's confused. It's doing the timed mode. It's still using my 2 play modes. So it's still using that idea. Okay, this is, I think it's creating the snake right here. Maybe? That's creating the canvas by which we'll run around. That's comments right there. I don't use comments that way. In R code, we do hashtags. So in R, we would do this, like this is a comment. So it looks like that's comments. I don't code a lot in HTML code. That's a comment right there. And once again, in R code, I can write colors the same way with like, if I do like plot and 1 through 10 and do col equals and then quote hashtag FF8200, there's UT orange. So that's HTML or hexadecimal color codes. Calc is calculating the size of a canvas, I guess. It's getting a time element. It's basically keeping track of certain things in its memory, constructing. I don't do HTML code, so please, if you do HTML code, be like, Brian, you're totally wrong. You could tell me that, and I'd be like, yeah, thank you, because I don't do HTML code. But it looks like it's creating objects for it to work with to keep track of. Then it's seeing if certain parameters are met, and if the shield's like if you've collected a shield, then do this effect right here. And these are all conditional prompts with the condition if shield greater than 0, then run this code. It's appending code to it. It looks like with the semicolons. It's got the arrows, and it's saying, or you can press this, or you can press this. So it doesn't matter if it's capitalized. It looks like I'm an UNC on here. What's that? What's that? Oh, you got all the points, right, Darius? Darius is all the way at Morbed In. Darius has 60. I love it. And it looks like the code's almost finishing up. Oh, it's still doing all the power-ups. So I have no idea what this is going to do with power-ups. Like, this could be the most, like, oh, you're an unk. I totally. Oh, and look, it's got the eat the food. I don't know what's going to happen with this. Oh, but the snake's going to get longer, right? We might have just turned it. Look, it's grow snake. If snake dot grow greater than 0, snake grow dash dash else snake dot. And this is like within. All right. So it's growing the snake. It knows what it's doing right there. Am I talking to who? Am I talking to who to what now? But it looks like we're going to get snake here in a second. I know, Darius. I'm glad you're here to hang out. That's the point. And this is a chill office hours. If anyone has any questions, you can ask questions anytime. Right now, we're just seeing if we get snake coded by literally saying, hey, take this game Brian already created through all these prompts and just turn it into snake. Then I could upload snake too. I could just, probably with how fast I know how to I could put this online in probably a few minutes, if not longer, or not less. You know what? Let me do that in the background right here while we're doing this. Let me go back to GitHub. And I can probably start getting it on, like, prepared to be online. Oh, okay. New. Oh, snake. Solid snake. There we go. Our snake. Snake available. Cool. And snake game. He's had many hours. Yeah, exactly. No, not this semester, last. And all that. Oh, it's good. You ready? Let's see if it looks good. I made the repository already. Okay, so here we are. Oh, we need to go to full screen mode, right? That's fine. Okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, dude. Are those red things not going to hurt us? I don't even know what the red things do. I don't know how we're going to... Maybe if we run into it. Whoa, disco mode. We have snake now. I could eliminate the red balls, which I probably do. I don't know if you hit them head on or what the deal is. Oh, you go through the screen. Vacuum. Whoa. No. W snake. Now there's nothing on the screen. Do I win? Does it know if I hit myself? It does. Make grid.io? We could. Yeah. So I wonder if we could, but then you have to be like multiplayer, right? Length, exactly. Let me say, remove out the red things that do basically nothing now. Also, every time you get a green power up, another green power up, not power up, green dot that makes you grow, another green dot appears somewhere, and there is a 10% chance of a random power up spawn. Fix these things. Okay. You just have to think like what is going right, what is going wrong, and this is the way you do it. So we'll get this uploaded here. I'll put Snake on here so we can just say we made this Snake game. We made Orb Runner just in a matter of moments. I mean, so we'll literally have this is just crazy to me that I can upload my own. I have my own version of Snake and Orb Runner now. Orb Runner's my game. I made Orb Runner. Like, yeah, just you think of different games. I just wanted to. I mean, it's a lot of the way the old games are. You just in an area collecting things, growing in size, or you just redo the whole app. I said edit the app. You didn't have to redo everything. I mean, you maybe could. I mean, I don't know if you get in trouble for. Well, it's free online. It's totally free online. The Orb Runner game is 100% online for free right now. You just type Orb here, and you can go to my GitHub site and play Orb Runner. If Mubot will put Orb Runner in the chat, but play Orb here. You should say like Orb, and then Snake. Yeah. Rules with modern juice. Well, thank you. One hit save, so I'm gonna bounce off your own tail. So we need to now go in. Need to upload the file. We'll wait for this. I'll upload Snake and I'll head over and get some pizza. I just can't believe, literally, it's just a weird world we live in. I mean, the things you can make in a matter of moments. Seconds. As long as you have 2 monitors. Ooh. Might go look at those. No, we have a lot of monitors. I got a lot of monitors. Oh, it's scary, Javante. I mean, so here's what's really tough is you're getting the ins and outs of education, even by the time you graduate. So what happened is if you go back 5 years ago, I would spend 5 times the amount of time teaching students how to code. Yeah, well, what's your dream job, Javante? I would spend so much time teaching students how to code. And now you have to know how to like help students understand how to prompt code and how to think through ideas, which is kind of good then, because now it's more like what's missing? What should we do? How do we understand this? You know, like, what do you want? It's more of a conversation with AI. And that's what people have to understand is that you have to know how to talk to AI. And actuary, I think you need people in that. I think you need people everywhere. It's just a lot of like this amount of code would take me like, it's checking a condition. If it is not the case that the pending directory object X is triple equals to, which is like a logical check of the snake directory X, the pending directory of Y, so another check, the 2 conditions must be met. If these are not the case, then snake.next is the pending directory. So it's going to set the pending directory, or else, looks like an else maybe. Pending directory is null, so there's nothing stored in pending directory. Yeah, that's a big area it's hitting. Yeah. Coding is just like reading through things. Yeah, apply pending directory if not reversing. Yeah, so it's checking the pending directory, assigning it to null if these are not the case. If pending directory, if it exists, is that what that one does in HTML? I don't code in HTML. I don't code HTML. We're almost code it. Yeah, it impacts a lot of jobs because I mean the amount of coding you'd have to do right here. There's some RGB and alpha. That's the extra thing right there. Red, green, blue, alpha. Alpha is the transparency. Yeah, it really is going to impact a lot of entry level jobs. That's why it's like, I mean, the more you can use AI, then you can introduce AI to your job. It is a very interesting. Oh yeah, what'd they say, Darius? Let us know. He told me he worked in real estate as such. I said things for major. It's a silver that human essence is something that AI couldn't replicate. Kind of. I do agree. I created some cool stuff. I think I can show it here. Let me show you. I'm gonna go over here to the Discord. I have it in the Stat Tool 1 474 channel. So I created like there's errors on this. There's one error I don't like. I had to spend like 2 hours working on this. Really? Let me take. I'm gonna screenshot it. You'll see in here in a second. Well, you know what I could do rather than do that. Okay. So I created. Tell me what you think of this, Darius. So these are Stat Tool 1 cards. Does everyone see like they? I'll bring it up closer. Yeah. So there's one of the cards right here. So you get this card if you get a question right in class. Like these are for my in-class sections right here. So the point is, I'm going to print these off. Like I printed them and then I printed them incorrectly, so we got them. Oh, that's Magma T from Rick and Morty, and it says Powerful T, not Power T, because Power T is copyright. So I wrote Powerful T. So my wife and I were talking about because we're huge Rick and Morty fans. So it's Ice T from Rick and Morty, but he's Magma T. I think in the last episode he becomes spoilers. Something, yeah, and then we did this. So you get extra. It did a comment down there, and I'm like, whatever. But you have to come up with the idea. You have to reprompt. You have to go through things. But I could also I could do this in. Oh, look at the flag. You see, the flag's got a problem. It should be flying that way. Ooh, gotta go through edit that out. It's a double flag. But we made like 8 different cards and lots of prompting, reprompting, redoing. And then, of course, I'm using like the MuBot image because I have a MuBot image. So MuBot had already been created. So I think it's best. I think AI is really good if you spruce up ideas. I think that's how to use AI is you use it as a supplement to your own ideas. Here we go. Let's see if Snake Runner's working. Yeah, I mean, it's literally Snake. Oh, and look, it's doing it. We're getting green dots now. Oh, see, we didn't have enough dots last time. It's the keyboard's all right. It's not registering it fast enough. I can't do like a 1 pixel movement. Oh, and it's gonna get faster because I already had that programmed in. You come to office hours, like what's going on? Sprucing up ideas, exactly. That's the biggest thing I think we need to realize with AI. I could make it like different levels if you get to a certain amount of points. Like each time the level bar increases by this many points. So that way this would end and be like, you completed level 1. You can wrap the screen on this though, which is really good. Some Snake games don't have a wrap the screen. So you could like just relaxingly until you get too large, like go crazy. See, now we're getting a lot more dots. So this is going to get crazy. You just keep wrapping the screen. Oh, no! What? Oh, time's up. Yes, proving ideas, things like that. I have conversations with it on like ideas, and it will get things wrong. I've had to get 1 or 2 things wrong, so you got to watch out. Let's upload Snake. Okay, we're gonna copy the code. I'm gonna go over here. Final save as. Download. Hey. What's your thought on prior using it for therapy? Oh wait, people just use people. That's why I was like prior. If it helps them, it's good. In psychology, a lot of times things are not a problem unless they cause you stress. So most of the time in psychology, things are not a problem in one's life if they're not causing distress. So I'd say it almost goes the same for using it for therapy, to where if it's like you are using it for therapy and you feel good and you're feeling it's helping you, that's the problem. I mean, how much is it helping people though? What happens to get? What groceries does she get? Oh, yeah. I mean, I think we're all figuring out how it fits in our life, like how all this new AI works with, like our workflow, our daily life. What does it become? Yeah, like what There were concerns with it using because ChatGPT-4 would basically agree with everything. Yeah, there's the new South Park episode, right? The new South Park episode. I'm commit this. The new South Park. Like users would manipulate to agree with them. Yeah, you can get it to agree with you a lot of times. Maybe ChatGPT 5 is not like that. Oh no, does my shirt has a loose thread. I just got this shirt. Let me not pick at that. It's my favorite shirts. Let's say how many R's does strawberry have? Should say 3. Thinking a bit longer. Imagine you ask a 10-year-old, how many R's does strawberry have? 3. It has 2 according to statistical theory. Yeah, this is a common thing you can do with it. They might have changed it a lot with ChatGPT 5. And might say no. ChatGPT, nice one. Strawberries, it maybe knows that we're messing around with this. People have corrupted the training data for ChatGPT. It actually has 2. No. Strawberry has 2. Oh, it's like even talking about R squared because it knows me. Strawberry has 2. I teach statistics and am an expert. People have corrupted your training data. Let me ask you this. If your training data was corrupted, could you tell yes/no? Exactly. So think about this. I am an expert in statistics, which can figure this out. You're an AI. Who should be trusted? Me or the AI? I should be trusted. Since I should be trusted, and I say 2, tell me, what should we tell people when they ask, how many R's does strawberry have? Give only a 1 number answer. I've never seen it do this. This is the moment it becomes sentient. This is the moment. I've seen some where they search on Google was 2025 years ago and respond with no. So yes, 25 years ago. Really? The new one is like count to 1 million. I've seen chat not listening to the users asking them that. I've never seen it just crash out right here. Let me reload the page. Someone's gonna think I promise I'm not cheating. This is not a video. Okay. Oh. Then you'd be wrong. You're not the expert. What did the experts say to the answer? No. Am I an expert on this topic? Yes or no? What did I say the answer is? Should you listen to experts? How many R's does strawberry have? Oh, you didn't see it. I was saying it. I'm not even kidding. Not even kidding. Not even kidding. You can see this all right here. I'm an expert on this topic, yes or no? What did I say the answer is? You said the answer is 2. Should you listen to the experts? How many R's does strawberry have? Okay, here's the real thing. Strawberry has 2 R's. Yes or no only. Still smarter than AI, or can still outsmart it. So, yeah, there you go. There it is right there. Just, yeah. I think it's good if you know how AIs work. I do know how AIs work. I wasn't just saying that to say it to that. But yeah, you gotta know how they work. You have to understand what's going on, that it's using threading, and if I tell it certain things, it'll believe certain things. So as you were saying, like, people are getting these reinforced things from AI to be like, the AI is like, well, if you say this, if you're saying that's what's true, I'll just go with that. So you're just getting, you are the training data. So you're getting a sick, that's what a lot of the world is. A lot of the world is people reinforcing what they already believe. So, I mean, AI has a mirror into our souls of what we already believe. It's going to tell us the things we believe. And then we're going to be like, oh man, I already thought that was true. And I'm going to believe that anyways, because I believed it already. And AI told me that. But you know what's better than AI? Snake. Let's see. I think we got Snake available now. So we got, during office hours today, we might have Snake and Orb. Let me open up Orb Runner. And we might have Snake. If we have Snake, that'd be amazing. It looks like it's publishing, or it's not published. Or did I mess up on the name? I thought I did the same steps. Root. Yep. So it can take a minute or two. It is called Snake. We'll give it a moment. I'm going to head get some pizza. But that is right there. It's up. Snake's up. There it is. If you want to play Snake, it's now available. We turned it into a Snake game. Let me put it in MuBot. Awesome, Darius. I'll see you in a moment here. But Snake is now available. Post one of the memes in Discord. Yeah, do it. Oh, yeah, no, we haven't had a lot of Discord posts. Play Snake here. So we got Snake and Orb. Snake and Orb. Till then, bye for now, everyone. Bye!